Yeah!
What? Oh my goodness, my little boy.
You are, you're a natural. Beat the shit out of it. Go, go, go. I mean, remain professional.
I do
Put it up.
like
You know a reference to my old pony, remain professional?
I think so.
Fucking beat her into a pole. She's like, hey.
You can do it.
What? Oh god, that's a bomb. Say that.
She'll smile no matter how much you hit her.
Stop using your fucking combos.
She's the ultimate killing machine. Look out, Mikey.
Oh god.
Your button mash skills might not work here.
He's my only weakness because he keeps dodging my attack.
She's Pinkie Pie. That's her job.
That.
She can take any hit.
My weakness is if you can either counter my attacks or dodge them.
Oh, she's good at everything.
Jump backwards. That's what I've learned in every fight. If you're about to die, jump backwards. Just don't, okay? Oh shoot. What? Okay.
Oh.
Well, I guess this person's my weakness.
No good. She's so good.
Oh crap.
Oh, that's a plant. She's your weakness, man.
My weakness will not see me.
She's Pinkie Pie, man. She's the ultimate killer.
The ultimate killer.
Unblock attack.
She kills everything with a smile.
Oh shit. It's like her.
What'd you do? Mikey, you call Snoop's Valentine's present.
What?
You ripped the ball out of it.
Actually, he probably shook it or something. It was like magic at first. You're gonna see the hole. The hole through the tail.
Oh god.
We don't know what happened.
Die!
You killing her?
Oh,
Button smashing!
she's my weakness. She can
Use your magic!
I look really good. You can see my button smashing, but really, button smashing.
I need to go get water.
H2O. You can do it, eh?
Okay? Stop. Stop it. Stop. Come on.
You're gonna do it.
Oh, can I be my ultimate form?
He's defeating her.
I shall defeat her.
Here, I'll help you, Mikey.
No.
Fuck you!
Die! Just die already!
Oh.
Just die already!
You can do it, eh?
Kill her!
Do it!
She's on the edge of death! She's on death!
Kill.
She's on death's door!
Combo.
Oh, no! Don't let her combo you, man! Bro! Shit! Don't play! Come on!
That button's not Oh my god.
I'm sweating for some reason.
You're not even playing.
You love it.
30!
You love it or not.
It's a weird fucking game.
And it's so hard.
But yeah, it's so good.
This person doesn't dodge my button smasher. I'm so happy.
She's a button master herself, though.
Yeah.
Button master.
She is my equal.
What was that person who button matches and another person who button matches play the game together?
Yeah.
What happened?
They will beat each other's equals.
You're getting your ass whooped. Sorry to say it.
Why you do this to me, Rarity?
You know her name.
I know her name because we'll be watching YouTube videos.
Brody Phantom has engaged.
Oh my fucking god. I am Rarity! And you just pressed the O button.
You should dye your hair purple. Select your pony.
I'll play a freaking...
Scooter.
I'll play a scooter because... Wait. I pressed...
It's start all over again.
Yeah, I didn't get to defeat Twilight again.
Fuck. Who the hell was that?
Oh, I remember that pony.
Who the hell was that?
I don't know, but button mash your way through it.
What the fuck? You're doing a lot of damage!
Let me button mash! Is this like a fucking secret battle? Because I cannot defeat this person. She freaking freezes me in time.
You have a lot of damage!
And freezes me in fucking time.
Damn.
I'm fucking done! I'm fucking done!
She's the possessed version of Actual
I'm
Cat.
fucking done! Close the door.
Oh, so that's why Scooter is here.
Why?
Just freaking be the hard mode. You didn't add any fandom characters, you just add the freaking hard mode character. If you play this character, you're basically initiating hard mode.
And demon.
How do I restart the entire game?
Bro, what the fuck? That's creepy.
How do I restart the entire game?
Circle.
I just did. For some reason, I'm gonna walk away.
What the fuck is going
I
on?
play as this character because this character's overpowered. You can't even see the freaking thing.
It does it for all the ponies.
Huh?
It does it for all the ponies in the game.
Oh.
What?
Try pressing escape.
Oh.
No, that doesn't work.
I think I pressed escape and it's like, you cannot escape. There we go.
Wait, how'd you do that?
Just press the hold the button. All three of them.
I wish I'd known that.
No more Scooter. I'm just gonna choose freaking...
What if you choose the same character you did?
I need a button mashing character.
Rainbow Dash?
No,
I wonder if you choose the same character you won't have to restart.
I got pretty slow.
I wonder if you choose the same character you won't have to restart or not. No, you have to fucking restart. Really?
Oh.
Why?
Here we fucking go again. I'll be... Oh, wait, what?
You have to fight Rainbow Dash.
Because I chose Rainbow Dash.
This makes sense.
You have to restart them. We're gonna have some bullshit.
It doesn't really matter. I button mashed my way to victory.
It's like the first time we were just screaming and yelling.
The big thing is, the only reason you lost is because you don't button mash.
Bruh.
Hardcore players...
I don't need a button mash in this game.
Well, I didn't know button mashing would get me to success.
Hardcore players always button mash. I don't think I beat every fighting game I ever played.
Lied.
I didn't even know what my beat
I thought you just...
combat.
I thought you just lied.
Look. Difficulty.
I just thought you...
Why?
Yeah.
Button mashing.
Maybe you just lie on your back and stop loudly.
Bro, I play fighting games. I'm not fun, man. So I got
Corner camping.
I saw a thing that said lucky.
Lucky bitch.
lucky, bitch. Alright. I'm looking at some fighting games.
What are you fucking button mash? Stop really good combo. Let me button mash you to death. The character's gonna beat me because freaking...
I would be a button mash character if I was in a fighting game. Because I would have my sword and my fist.